Craftsman Hoefnagels. I'm from One Sisby. I'm a vehicle mechanic. I've been working with Speed 3D and the Army for the last few months, and Charles Darwin University as well in the 3D printing trial, and this is the part that I've made. This is the PMB rear door latch holder. So when you hold the door open, this will hold it open. These tend to break sometimes, and we've just created this temporary part to be able to use the door effectively until a new part arrives. Testing procedure for this part is not very strenuous. We're just going to do a practical test that'll involve installing it on the vehicle, ensuring it works correctly. Yeah, it'll just be there until we wait for the new part to arrive.